Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Brain Train Taaleem. This is Farzana Shaheen, and it's 25th of December, Quaid Azam's birthday. And the best way to celebrate is it to share some sayings of Quaid Azam about education with you. Education is a matter of life and death for Pakistan. The world is progressing so rapidly that without requisite advances in education, not only shall we be left behind others, but may be wiped out altogether. Quaid Azam said to the All Pakistan Education Conference at Karachi on 27th November 1947, education does not merely mean academic education, and even that of a very poor type. What we have to do is to mobilize our people and build up a character of our future generation. Then he gave a message to the students. Development is being sought in every walk of life, and you have to take on this process of development. Are you preparing to take on tomorrow's responsibilities? Are you building your capacities? Are you trained enough? If no, then go and prepare yourself, because this is the time to prepare yourself for future responsibilities. The best tribute to him is that we need to act upon what our leader said. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.